What is consciousness? Consciousness is the state of being aware of and responsive to one's surroundings. It involves thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. Scientists debate whether animals experience consciousness like humans. Some believe consciousness arises from complex brain functions. Others think it might be a fundamental aspect of the universe. Because of this, consciousness remains a mystery. As a result, researchers continue to explore this intriguing topic. This means new discoveries could change our understanding of the mind. Stay curious and keep questioning the nature of consciousness.